So right after updating to iOS 26, if your iPhone screen time is showing incorrect data, it's not saving the limits properly, it may even shows extra usage hours even when it didn't use the phone, let's go ahead and see some quick fixes to get it working right again. I guess first make sure your device is not on low power mode because some functions, including screen time, might not work in that situation. Next, let's go ahead and check some screen time's own settings. So from settings, scroll down and go straight to screen time. Now first, we recommend you to scroll down and tap on turn off app and website activity. And from this pop-up, confirm your choice. We're going to just reset these settings, okay? And after that, scroll up in this section and enter app and website activity, turn on app and website activity, and then you can go to app limits and just go ahead, add limits to all or specific apps that you have done previously. Just go ahead and reset the time limit for all of them. Additionally, from here, you can also lock the screen time settings so that no one but you can use your phone apps and use the limit. So just follow the prompts and set a screen time passcode, then confirm it. You can set your Apple ID for the forgot lock recovery. If you want, you can also skip it. If screen time is still not working, now let's check out the background app refresh. From settings to general, enter background app refresh. Now here, if you want, you can turn off app refresh for specific apps or for all the apps for that matter. But you might not get app notifications properly if you disable it completely. So better, we recommend you to just force quit or close all the apps once you exit them, so that your device doesn't mistake them for screen time. And more often than not, minor software glitch can cause this issue as well. So just let's force restart the device for once. Press and release the volume up and down button, and then press and hold down the power key until you see the Apple logo on your screen. Now, after the restart, your screen time should work fine. If it's still acting buggy, from settings, just go to general. Make sure there is no pending software version on your device. Just install it if it's available, because iOS versions always comes with bug fixes. Now lastly, if you have changed a lot of settings here and there, but it didn't solve your problem, so what you can do is just go to the default by reset all settings. For that, from settings, go to general, scroll down and enter transfer reset iPhone, and then tap on reset, and then from this list, hit on reset all settings. Enter your screen lock or screen time passcode if prompted. Please note that this will not delete any data, but this will erase your Wi-Fi password, so make sure you got that. And then just hit on reset all settings. Now after that, when it comes back, when your iPhone restarts from reset all settings, connect it to Wi-Fi and enter the screen time settings and just go ahead and reset everything, all the settings one after another. Hopefully your screen time will work perfectly and the bug won't bother you anymore. Thanks for watching.